Hello, unfortunately the weather is not being very kind to us today. This is the Lake District, there's a reason why. It's so green and there's lots of lakes. So we'll see how we get on.
Coming up in this week's video, we go to Castlerigg Stone Circle, Crummock Water and Rannerdale Knotts. But first, a drive from Kendal, where we stayed in a converted stable. Thanks for coming back if you've been here before, and if this is your first time, welcome. Unfortunately, it poured with rain. Look, there's Nicki trying to shelter behind one of the standing stones. There was a brief break in the rain, so I sent up the Mini 3. You join us in Rannerdale Knott. Excuse the wind. We're hoping to see some bluebells. I've attempted to name the mountains and peaks the best I can. If I've got any wrong, let me know in the comments. As you can see from Nicki's umbrella, the rain continued to pour. Unfortunately, we were a week or two early for the bluebells, or maybe the rain just scared them away. At least the yellow gorse flowers were beautiful. Just look at those views. If you'd like to follow our route, you can find a link to Komoot in the description below. We were hoping the bluebells would be more obvious from the other side of the river, but unfortunately, we were just too early. Time to send up the drone. There might not have been many bluebells, but there were plenty of lambs to see. If you're enjoying this, then please like, subscribe and ding that bell for notifications.